Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to pronounce all the first three sounds and their associated body movements. That is the 2 letters, 1 sound, and the 3 letters, 1 sound. Okay, let's go. C, K, lock, K. Pretend that you're turning a key in the padlock and say K. Q, U, queen. Pretend to wear a queen's crown and say Qu. C, H, chin. Touch your chin and say Ch. S, H, shh. Pretend to shush someone by touching your lips and say shh. N, G, ng. Pretend to swing and say ng. T, H, show a thumbs up and say TH also spell another sound like in them. So point at them and say A, I, rain. Wiggle your fingers to show rain falling and say A. E, B. Buzz like a bee saying E. I, G, H, light. Point to the light and say I. O, A, O. Pretend to row a boat saying O. A, R, car. Pretend to drive a car saying ah. O, I, oi. Pretend to drop a coin into a piggy bank saying oi. O, R, O. Pretend to eat with a fork saying O. O, book. Oo. Pretend to open and close a book saying oo. This is a short one. O also spell oo, the long sound like in moon. Okay? O, moon. Ooh. Make a moon shape with your hands saying ooh. Remember, ooh and ooh. One is short, one is long. U, R, purse. Pretend to open and close a purse saying O, W, cow. Pretend to milk a cow saying ow. Let's milk the cow. Ow. All right. O, W also spell another sound O, like in snow. So O, W, O, snow, O. Okay. Pretend to catch snowflakes saying O. Okay? Remember, one is O, like in snow, and the other is ow, like in cow. A, I, R, air. Make flying motions like you're flying in the air, saying air. E, A, R, ear. Touch your ear saying ear. E, A, R, also spell the sound air like bear. Now cup your ears like a bear and say air, air. Okay? One is air like bear and the other one is ear like your ear. Remember that. E-R-R, ladder. E-R, ladder, R. Pretend to climb up the ladder saying R, R. Okay? U-R-E, cure. Take your medicine to cure an illness saying you. Well done. Okay, very quickly, let's recap the letter sounds. Ch, sh, ng, a, e, I, o, u, a, o, a, ow, o, oi, ear, air, air, you, are. If you are seeing this video for the first time and you need these flashcards for your little one, check the description box below to go to the link where to download them, print them out, laminate them, and start teaching your little one. Thanks for watching.